Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand the more options which you get inside the Google Ads dashboard along with the other targeting options like location, audience, language, right? These are the options that we have already discussed in our previous videos. But now here we will see some more option or more settings you can say. So for these options, what you need to do is you need to come into your Google Ads dashboard, and once you create any campaign, you will get these options under the campaign settings or section only. So here you will see more options. By default it is like closed, so if you click on this you will see the options. Now the first option is ad rotation. This is something which we have already discussed in our previous videos. It means that by default, if you have multiple ad groups or multiple ad copies, Google's algorithm will decide and optimize all the ad copies based on their performance. They will show ad copies to the audience, and based on response, whichever is performing better, they will showcase that particular ad copy or ad group to audience more often as compared to the non-performing one. That is called optimize. But if you want all the ad copies to be served equally without their performance concern, then you can just switch it to the next option, that is do not optimize. But this option is not recommended until unless you want to manually test your ad copies and want to see the performance. So these are for the experienced one, the expert one, not for the beginners. So keep it as it is, optimized, prefer best performing ads. The next option is start and end date. Let's say if you want to start the campaign on a particular date, and if you want the campaign to be automatically ended on a particular date without you keeping in your mind that okay, for which date I have to stop the campaign, otherwise the budget will keep on exhausted. So you can set the start date and end date. Schedule is all day. By default it is all day. It means your ads will be served to the audience on in every hour of the day. It means whether they are searching in 1 a.m. or 3 p.m. or 6 a.m. or 6 p.m, all the day your ads are eligible to be displayed. But let's say you have a business where people are supposed to call you, your audience will call you, and to attend their calls your office timings is fixed. Let's say 9 to 6 p.m. or 9 to 7 p.m. After 7 p.m. or before 9 a.m. there is no one in your office to attend and answer the calls. In that case you need to just click on this option, and all days, of course, if you are having any weekend off, then you can also select this. So for example, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you can select specific day, you can select specific time. So in my case, let's say I want my ads to be served only from 9 a.m. to let's say 7 p.m. Now what this particular option will do, that this will only showcase your advertisement between the given time, and this will also allow Google Ads to spend your entire daily budget only in this particular duration instead of the whole day. Because if somebody, let's say, searching at 1 a.m. in the night, and then of course he or she will not be able to contact you, or even if they contact you, there is no one in the office to answer. Of course, you can give them a call back, but instantly they will not get any kind of answer. So either you can prefer your days and time according to you, or you can either, let's say you have an e-commerce business where the timing does not matter. Anyone can come to your website any point of time and they can purchase, they can place an order, and then they can straight away go back to their origin after placing an order. So it means there is no need to set up this. So it completely depends on your business need and your requirement. So as of now, I'm just turning it off, and the other option that you get is the campaign URL option. So here, tracking template, final suffix. So this is called UTM parameters, or you can say tracking parameters. So I'll talk about this in detail in the upcoming video. So as of now, I'm just leaving this option because we will not use this option. Instead, we will use the option in the ad copy level. Then there is an option called page feed. Add page feed to your campaign. This is also something you don't have any page feed, you can add page feed in business data. So I'll talk about this option later on when it comes to into the picture. So these are the options that you get inside the campaign settings. So all the campaign settings options we have covered so far. Again, just to give you a recap, that location is the option, language is the option, right? Audience segmentation, segments is the option that we have discussed, and these are the options that we have already discussed now in this video. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.